Welcome to the Clocked Trader KE. On this platform, I document my journey towards being a consistently profitable trader. In my previous post, in the previous video I created, I had placed a pending order on ZARD USD. Unfortunately, it was not triggered. Okay, technically it was triggered. Look, let me just zoom. This place, the price crossed almost by a pip above my pending order, but the ProFarm did not trigger. So it's close to my TP, but actually it's almost winning had it been triggered. But well, ProFarms are sometimes cagey and sneaky, and they'll always kind of throw in some stuff to make things a bit difficult for traders. So it wasn't triggered. So regardless, I moved on. So this is another trade that I have just taken, and I'll explain why I have taken this trade. So let's go to the trading view. I've been following USD JPY for the last few days. So the analysis started again on D1. This trend line has been tested a number of times. 1, 2, 3. So of course the confirmation of the trend line started here. Then again it was touched here. Then again here, the rejection. So yesterday, again the price came on this trend line here. On D1, that's all I want. But again, there's something else. The price was going down on D1 until when it closed here above this region. So externally, looking at overall trend, the price was shifting from a downtrend to an uptrend. But that is externally. Those are something that sometimes I look at, but I don't focus on them so much. So, but we focus on these movements here. Looked at this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So D1 uptrend. Remember, I don't focus so much on D1 trend, but in some cases it provides confluence. So I came to H4 now to look at what are the prime entry zones. So yesterday the price was rejected at a support. And why is it a support? The price reacted here. The price again reacted here. The price again was rejected. The price was rejected. So this zone, in addition to the trend line, it's a good zone. It has been tested multiple times. D1 is an uptrend. So I decided now to wait for confirmation today in the morning. And after London Open, I came to H1. Not H1, I came to M15 to try to see which liquidity or areas I need them to that I needed to be swept. And I noted that the Asian low was here. So immediately my Asian low was swept and the price landed again in my support zone that I was expecting. I was waiting for some bullish momentum now to take effect. So immediately I saw M15 after sweeping. Let's just go to M15. We go to M15. Immediately after sweeping the Asian low, there was an M15 bullish engulfing. So I just needed another candle again to close above that bullish engulfing to show some momentum. And that candle was this M5 candle that pushed again the price upwards. So for me, that was a confirmation to get into this trend. So I took the long there. Now, targeting. My targeting was based on H4. In as much as the price is uptrend on D1, on H4, the price is in a downtrend because there was a push downward here. There was a retracement, and then again another push downward. So short-term trend is downtrend on H4. So I don't want to totally disregard that. So what I did is at least my expectation is the price will pull back to this order block. Will it? Not sure. Is it possible? Yes, because that is a supply zone that is forming here. And remember also the price tested here, here, here. So I'm expecting some form of reaction when the price come here. Probably it may continue, given that D1 is in an uptrend, probably price will come all the way here. But again, today is Friday, so I don't like holding trades over weekend. So I just targeted 1 to 3, as you can see using this long marker. I targeted 1 to 3, and remember, being a Friday, if it reaches in the evening, if I have not lost or won the trade probably late in the evening, I'll just close it. Remember, it may end up losing or it may end up winning, but that was my reasoning behind this trade that I've taken. That's all. I just wanted to give you a heads up on what happened on silver, and then tell you the decision I've made following now. What happened, because now look at the silver trade. It was now, we would have been looking at closer taking the profit. It's now probably over 1 to 1.5. Actually, it reached close here. Probably it would have been 1 to 2 plus, but that is part of trading. The best thing now is to focus, not to be affected by fear of missing out on such kind of trade. Had I taken this trade on the broker, it would have been triggered. But so for now, let's see how now this USD JPY plays out, and I'll update you on the outcome of the trade in the evening. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Good luck.